Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. In this video, I'm going to be looking at manual handling injuries, offering you some completely free advice on how to bring a claim for compensation, along with information on how you're able to speak to a law firm on a free, confidential and no obligation basis in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. When workers are told to carry, push, raise, lower or lift items in an unsafe manner, accidents resulting in injuries known as manual handling injuries can occur. These can have a devastating effect on the victim's well-being and livelihood. These incidents are often caused due to a lack of staff training and information not being provided. Employers are under a duty to show their staff how to correctly and safely fulfill their work-related duties, and failing to do this is a form of negligence. If all this sounds familiar to you and you've been involved in an accident that wasn't your fault, then the good news is that you may be able to bring a claim. I'll shortly be explaining how you can go about speaking to someone from a law firm completely free of charge. But first of all, in terms of advice that I can give you to take away directly from this video, I'm going to suggest a couple of things that you can do which should only help to strengthen your claim. First, you should take photographs of the accident location, including what it was that caused your accident. Also make a note of any witnesses to the accident and collect their contact information should a statement need to be taken at a later time. Ensure that an accident report is completed in your workplace accident report book. Ask to check this over at the time so that you're able to ensure that everything was completed correctly. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. Not only will they advise you on how best to begin your journey on the road to recovery, but this assessment will also mean that there's documented evidence of your injuries, which may be used at a later date, so take a note of when this assessment took place, as it will make it much easier to trace records. Now, if you'd like to speak to a workplace accident claims specialist completely free of charge in order to see what your options are, you can contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Regardless of what your mate down the pub thinks, we believe that it's always advisable to seek help from an expert with experience in dealing with claims of this nature on a regular basis. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means that there's no upfront fees to worry about, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are accident at work claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.